Yo, what's happening, boys? Hope everyone's well. Everything's going okay. Tired, man. Tired. Right, okay, let's see what the charts are saying then. Let's have a look at the news really quick. How did the news come out? Retail sales year on year 0.2. Oh my god, that is bad. Retail sales month on month point. Oh wow. Oh god, that was really bad for the UK. Oh wow, that was really bad for the this is not helping the pound at all. This is not helping the pound in any way. Oh dear. Yeah, this news was quite bad. Okay, so we're clear until 8 o'clock. Then we've got speeches. Then 8:15 we got French PMI. 8:30 German. 9 is eurozone. 9:30 is UK. Oh god, today is gonna be tricky, man. I'll try to catch a clean trade. If I can't, then well, it is what it is. You just can't beat these things every single time, I guess, unfortunately. So yeah, let's just kind of sit and wait to see what's gonna happen on that side. Why is this not remembered my password? UK for password I don't remember. No. There you go. Logged in. Save password. Yeah, my account's reset to 100k. Beautiful. And I can officially start trading again. Magnificent. Beautiful. So I can request my payout. So I might need to change the name of this live stream to live payout request as well. So yeah, I might do that. Request payout, the full amount, next, select payment method, USDT, USDC. I think both of them are still the same, aren't they? $842. Yeah, got it. That's fine. I will request a payout later. I'll do it on the live stream and stuff, so that no one can say I've faked anything or anything like that, you know. So yeah, I'll leave that for now, and then I'll come back to that later on. But yeah, let's look at the charts. Let's go to M15. Okay, so we've come down, took out Asia low right here. Oh, here you go, right here. Price was kind of going bearish, I suppose. Possibly, maybe, hard to really say. I'm just gonna lock the screen on this so I'm not killing the battery on the iPad. And then on yen, we've taken out all of these lows: 1 low, 2 low, 3 low, 4 low, 5 low, 6 low. Boom, done. Took all them out. Have you already had an entry? Lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Tag back into that zone to go long. How big is the SL gonna be? Oh, it's not that bad. That's actually not that bad. Okay, let's just start with euro then. Go M2 on euro. Start reading price action. Build up, sweep, continue, build up, sweep, continue, no build up there. Suppose you could say this one here, build up, sweep, continue, so all of these are channels which is telling me buyers are still in the market, longs are still the way to go. Build up, continue, Frankfurt opens come up, taking the highs. This high should fail. It's a supply zone that got tagged once, twice, 3 times. Is still coming up, so I'm expecting that zone to fail. That should be an invalid zone. Beautiful. Like the look of that. Like the look of that. Actually, quite a lot. I can probably go over to Monday, to be fair, and that. And then we'll keep hold of this. Probably till what, about here? There we go. So now I would say this zone is also technically now invalid, and that comes from the sense that for me to follow order flow, I would need price to come take this level out to push higher. So yeah, I'm a bit skeptical, I would say. All done. Okay, so that's euro done. Longs look clean on euro. And let's go to pound. What's pound on? 15 actually in it. and then drag this down. Okay, so there might not be, how far are we from here? 60 pip, 60. I got a feeling these zones are gonna come into Monday. Got a few lows here. So this is actually interesting because the news come out, it took out this entire level, this entire channel. So if you were to say this is all an entire channel, you would kind of be right on that, because yes, it kind of is a channel ultimately, and then price come wicked all of that level out, so that's interesting. And if you go on 2-minute chart, price come took these lows up, pushed up, price come took these lows up, pushed up. So yeah, that's interesting for me. Just make it a bit cleaner. Got that level there, and then lock that down. Then you got this level here, copy paste, that can go over here. The channel there, took that there, pushed up. Another channel here, probably just paste, push that one there. Channel there, and then you had the same here, and then it failed. So for me, M5, let's go M15 again. I feel like this is gonna be an invalid zone. I would like to see that fail, in all honesty. I mean, we did just come take all of these levels out, so I would like price to come up, but the data was so bad for the UK, man. So this is shockingly bad data from the UK, so I'm not sure how the market's gonna react to that data, which is why I'm kind of just going over the charts really quickly just to get to the lower time frame and see what it's doing. I'm very suspicious, that's for sure. Let's go back up to euro. They can drag, so this was 10.15, can drag that over to 8.30. That's gonna fail anyway. So that did come out so bad. That was so bad news. Damn, really bad news. So price took this high here and then flew off a cliff, or melted off a cliff, or fell off a cliff. And then you had a bunch of these lows that got taken, it pushed up, took out these highs, and then continued to come downwards. Okay. Try to analyze this price action as well, which is quite easy here. Channel build up, got taken out, price come, took out this high, then push down. Then we had this channel build up, price come, took that channel, pushed all the way down, in all honesty, you guys know my opinion on CHF. It's stronger than the pound by many means. So naturally, I would say this is an invalid zone. Price is going to come down, take this level out, and then we go from there. Because price is ultimately bearish. Build up, sweep, push down. Took out obviously these highs here, but also this high on M1. Then we started to create bearish momentum. Had a channel here, took the channel out, pushed down. It makes sense, man. Makes sense. I would not expect this high to get taken anytime soon. Oh god, or even that high. Oh, that's a weekly. Oh dear. That's gonna go all the way over to like Monday, Tuesday. It's Friday. Oh wow, that's gone over quick, hasn't it? I'll do Wednesday about 4 o'clock. Yeah. So now we gotta look at moves on the low side. So where on the lower side can we see price be magnetized towards? Let's say this zone here. It's the safe level, to be fair. We do have some equal highs up top, but I mean, price could come up, take all this level out to push down. Yeah, it makes sense how pound kind of did. But yeah, this high is a no-go, absolute no-go. That's gonna go over to Tuesday, I'm guessing. Yeah, because the other one went over to what, Wednesday? I'm gonna do Thursday on that. That could quite easily go over to Thursday. I'm gonna bring this over to Wednesday. Yeah, there you go. So this is what we're seeing on M2. Just gonna bring that back over to 8:30 as well, just so you can see a bit better. Obviously, we have taken this low, so I'm just looking at what is price action gonna do. If you start to see higher highs and higher lows forming, then price might want to come for this level, might want to come for these levels, might want to come for these levels as well. Now, if you go on M5, I don't think there is a channel across the top. Oh no, wait a second. There is a channel across the top. Ah, look at that. One touch, two touch, three touch, four touch. Okay, so we do actually have a bit of a channel forming here as well, which is nice. So I like the look of that too. This is shaping up to be interesting. On CHF, I do want to go short on CHF just because I know it's far stronger fundamentally and sentiment wise. And obviously with that weak data for the UK as well, that's just happened. Okay, let's just go on to X really quick. If we don't get a move today, it's not the end of the world. It's completely fine if we don't get a clean move today. We can still work with that. That's EU and GU pretty much analyzed. Analysisized even. And I can just go from there, to be honest. 15 zone there. Oh hey bro, welcome. My soundboard. Where is it?
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Hey bro, what's happening bro? How are you, bro? You're right. So EU and GU done. GJ, let's have a look at that. We had a bunch of lows, took the lows out. It's coming further down, which makes me think it's coming for this low. For 830 possibly. Let's go M2. Okay, so even on the M2 chart, prices bearish again. You know what? Yen's not doing clean price action for Asia. Good. Look at price. We could be coming for these levels here actually. So let me just but I don't know if it will, because of the weakness of the pound. After all that horrendous jobs data, it doesn't look ideal at all, especially to me. Yeah, Things are looking bad to me. We've got this low down here, innit? I think price might want to come for that low, maybe. Alright, I'm settled down. Okay, good. Yeah, I've just finished going over all of my pairs. So yeah, I mean, EU looks like it wants to go bullish, so but I can't really buy from this invalid zone because it's Frankfurt low. Just zoom in on this a bit more in it so you can see. So yeah, obviously we've got an M15 invalid zone.
Sayama says we will finance package with funds including extra tax revenue.
On euro right here we've got an M15 invalid supply zone. Price tagged it once, then twice, then 3 times, then 4 times, and we're seeing bullish price action in Asia. So I want to take longs for that supply zone to fail on EU.
And Katayama says total bond issuance this fiscal year to be below last full years.
For GU, it's the news come out quite bad. I'm not gonna lie. I'm surprised how it still like didn't just straight fall off a cliff. But hey ho, this is trading. The news is bad for the pound, so I'm expecting to continue to the downside further. It's not looking good for the pound in all honesty. This high can probably go over to Monday or Tuesday in all honesty. I'm gonna say Tuesday. I'm not expecting that to get tagged anytime soon in all honesty. Bitcoin, oh wow, it's down to 82k. You've got to be kidding me, bro. Bitcoin's falling hard, bro. Bitcoin is falling hard. Wowza. We'll have a look at that just in a second as well, because I want to see what Bitcoin's doing. So yeah, pound. I'm gonna follow it for following euro. We are gonna get long overdue bear market on Bitcoin. Gonna start stacking. I'm still long on Bitcoin. I'm just seeing it as a discount. That's it. When we do start doing the rate cutting cycle and stuff like that, then all that means is Bitcoin can stop flying, and then you're gonna get the all-time highs to target. So for me, it's still at a discount. But yes, if you want to start doing shorts, now is probably the best time to start looking at shorts. CHF is just continuing to fall. Invalid zone, that's good. As I said, prices continuing to fall. Yen on M15 continuing to fall. Pound's just basically dying right now. Let's look at Euro GBP. I bet that's, yep, there you go, lovely bit to the upside. Where's all my alerts, man? Where's all my alerts? Okay, I didn't set any for a while, eh? Let's have a quick update on the alertus. Maximus. Okay, so set an alert here. And then I can set an alert here, which is the news candle wick high. And then you've set an alert here. I love having premium. The amount of alerts is mad. So alert there, alert there, alert there, alert there, alert there. And then we don't have an alert here. So guess what? There's an alert there. Okay, and I'll just delete that there. One sec, Francis. I will read your message. I'm just going over all of this in it really quickly. And that alert there. Yeah, there we go. So that's done. And then so yeah, let's look to gold then. What's gold doing? I want to see what gold's. Oh, look, flipping. Hello. Look at that. Wowza. Okay. Let's just look at other zones on the yen. Okay, I already drew it out. That's fine. I just want to chuck this into. Oh damn it! Wait, no. Just want to bring that down and stick it over here for 8 o'clock. There you go. And now there's a huge chance that we're not going to come all the way up here for Monday, probably till Tuesday now. There's all the highs.
Yep. Says we'll pursue a responsible fiscal policy, not just a proactive one.
There you go. Right, okay, so we're getting a lot of volume in the market, Francis, that's for sure. Big moves are occurring. Let's go to gold. Gold has... What did gold do on... What time was NFP? 1:30. Ah, remember that. Yeah, it didn't really do much of a reaction, did it? How's the daily looking? Yeah, it really didn't do much of a reaction on gold. What about silver? XAG. We're at 2.5%. That's interesting. Where's 130?
Says I can't comment on the expected size of additional bond issuance to fund the latest package.
That also did pretty much a doji. Right, that's interesting. Let's go to Bitcoin now really quick. BTC/USD on the daily chart. Magnificent fall off. I think this is a 40% discount now, no?
And
oh, it's 35.
Says economists
right, okay,
say
yeah.
that net debt to GDP is expected to
so
fall.
where's 40%? Did I type 240? Did I type 4H? I don't know. Did I type 240? I don't even know what I typed, bro. Oh god. Okay, so where's 40%? 40% is 75,750. Perfect. 75,750. Okay. And then 45% is here. Stupid. These are lovely levels to start stacking in long positions though, man. Lovely, lovely levels. But Bitcoin is correlated closely to the indices and stuff like that, yeah? So if you don't start to see good price action, then you might be stuck in these trades, which is very possible, in all honesty. Very, very possible. Very, very possible. So for me, I wouldn't mind just scaling in just small risk, like 0.25%, with like a 10% SL. So I'd have like a 10% SL. Actually, no, I'd have... One second. No, we're not going to get a 70% drop. We're not going to get a 70% to 50. Nope. We might get a 60% drop back down to 50k. Yeah, so I would go long there, but I'd cover... I'd have stop loss enough to cover about 45k.
Package is sufficiently big to ignite demand-driven
but I'd have it on a small, like 0.25% risk. So the further down it goes, the more you can start scaling into that position. But that might be a long-term hold. So yeah, but that's insane. Okay, so let's look at what were you saying then, bro? All right, I'm just waiting for my gold sell trade to hit TP. Came 20 pips close. Oh, so you're doing shorts on gold? Oh yeah, from the 50% level. Was it from this Asia midline at 6 a.m? So about an hour and a half ago, yeah. That short right there, right here. Is it that one? Yeah. We can get long overdue. Bitcoin, yeah. TradingView is moving mad with all the collaboration, exchanges, stock markets, and even bonds now. Yeah. Yeah, that's a sniper entry, bro. But love how it reacted off with the midline. So good, man. So beautiful. Tag the midline, pew, straight down. Let's look at it on the M5. Oh my god, it's even better on the M5 because you had. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna use a trend line. You had build up of highs. Then you had the sweep of that into the midline. Beautiful wick rejection, and then just a fall off there. That's a nice trade, bro. That's a very nice trade. Guess what I was doing at 6 a.m? Sounds a bit like this. Hey, Habibi. Assalamu alaikum, Sahad. How you doing? You right, mate? Yeah, sleeping, bro. Exactly. Exactly.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Okay, tell us, how did your interview go with Quantech? Did they say anything? Was there any issues? How was it? Come on, tell us. We all want to know.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real
shut up,
trader, go real time.
You shut your pie hole. There. Shut your pie hole. There. Okay, wow, yen is really coming down. To deposit collateral. Yeah. And you just deposit your family's assets. GJ is falling sharply. GBPCHF is also coming down relatively sharply. Invalid zone did fail. I'm happy that was right. There was no supply zone, even if there was, I would have missed it. That's fine. I clicked something on my phone by accident and I don't know what the hell it was. The interview is good. Okay, so what happened? We're asking in it, bro. Give us details, man. What the hell? Was it good? Was it bad? What do they ask? What do they say? What did you say? All the deets, bro. Give all the deets, bye. Why is that a problem? What's wrong with the Rajesh from India? Or they're like scammers there or something like that? Like, what's the reason? I don't get it.
US officials are to brief EU ambassadors in Kiev on peace plan draft on Friday.
It looks like you have healthy kidneys for collateral. Biryani brothers getting done dirty. That is hilarious, bro. That is so funny. Oh man.
Emotional damage. PAYOUT.
Oh, I'm howling, man. That is so funny. That is so funny. No, because I spoke to this guy. He said a lot of funded traders are paying someone else to trade. What? They also took random trades of mine and asked me to go through why I took it. Oh, okay, that's fine. That was it. Oh, so how long was it? Like 5 minutes then? Like 10 minutes? Like a 10-minute interview then? Flipping, look out, yen, man. Oh, yo. And he was saying, I'll get my payout on Tuesday. Hey.
At 3 a.m. Eastern Time, we expect comments from ECB's co-chair and ECB's.
You should have said to him, are you sure? Because a lot of traders have been saying that they've not been paid out and stuff like that. So,
and Q&A
sure
at Foro Gran Via, organized by a bank in Spain.
What happened there? Organized by a bank in Spain.
And ECB's co-chair speaks at a conference on European economic integration.
Yeah, I sent him. I said, I knew a guy called Ali. He will pull up to the office otherwise. Shut up. You didn't say that. What did you actually say? Like, if I don't get my payout, I'll be posting on social media, because there's been a lot of traders who've had their interviews and been waiting weeks for payouts, I'm guessing, yeah. There's, bro, have you seen the funded chat in the Quanteco? One guy goes, said I've been waiting for 5 weeks. I really wanted to comment saying, what rules have you broken? Because I got mine in like a couple of days or a day. Literally, I got my payout in like a day, bro. I think I might struggle to kindly guide me about trading, please. Okay. Welcome first of all, brother Ali. I'm gonna call you Brother Ali.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Yeah, Baby Pips is a good place to start. I mean, what's your experience in trading? No, I didn't say anything. He just said at the end that I'm now happy to confirm that you have been trading and you'll get your payout on Tuesday. Yeah, that's fine, man. That's good. Congratulations, bro. Allah Mubarak. I'm gonna do my live payout request on YouTube as well. Let me just show you my screen really quick, because now I can officially request a payout as well. So I'm gonna do that live on this stream later on. Just log back in again, and then there you go. So if I just go to trading view, damn it, okay, let's go back to trading view, voice mod. Why is Brave? It's on the Brave terminal. Okay, that's fine. Let me just what? That's the music. Where's the... Sometimes it's annoying because it doesn't want to... I have to click off of it and then go back, and there you go. So here you go. So they reset my 100k account, which is fine. So now here's my next cycle to request a payout. Here's the payouts I can request. So the $1,000 turned into 842. So I'll request that later on in the stream. I'm just gonna try and look for a trade. I'll probably do this at the end of the stream, so then you guys can see that, you know. And then I'll try and get my 750 and 150 as well. 750 and 1,200 as well. I need to find out if it's this means like in payouts, or if it means like actually make 5% and actually make 10%. If it means actually make 5 and actually make 10, then they're just doing this to make traders fail and blow challenges. If that's what this means. If that's what it means, I'm not gonna aim for that because I'm not greedy. I'm happy getting $1,000 or 500 and 800 every 2 weeks. Just keep getting it. I'm happy with that, rather than risking big drawdown and possibly blowing accounts or possibly taking a big L just to get what, freaking 1950. It's not worth it when you've probably had about 6, 7, 8 grand in payouts, rather than trying to meet this target here. So yeah, I'll and you can see how fast they are. I requested my payout and I got it in 4 hours. Literally insanely fast. So yeah, I will be requesting that live on the stream later on, probably towards the end of the stream. I'll be requesting that payout. Right, back to TradingView now. And the 40k, the funded 50k, actually might as well just show that really quickly as well. 1 second. The funded 50k is up. How much percent? 1 second.
At 3 a.m. Eastern time, we expect
it didn't like it, did it? Nope,
ECB's
it didn't.
Kosher and ECB's de Guindos.
Why is it not? There you go. So this is the last step on that account, up 4%. So here's the funded 50k. I'm up 4.2%. I just need another day of 0.5, and I've got the whole of next week to do that. So bare minimum, I'll be getting 1,700 potentially, but I'm looking for another trade, so that 4% could turn into 8%, and then I'll be requesting that 8% on this challenge here, because I'm not just trying to find any trade for 0.5. I'm still trying to follow the trading plan, so that 2,000 might turn into 4,000 pretty quick. And then I'll be requesting this live on the stream as well, whenever I meet that cycle and whenever I meet that batch of rules. So yeah, I just wanted to show that to you guys so you guys can see everything pretty much. And some about details, I just want 69 cents. Yeah bro, no problem. Looks like your channel has started getting recommended on YouTube because we're getting a few names coming just this week alone. Possibly. I mean, with YouTube, it's a lot of consistency. So it's about just being on time and stuff like that and streaming consistently. It also helps when you guys are here on the stream all the time, because then it's in the algorithm, it says your channel's growing because you've had this many consistent viewers for this many consistent hours. So to be honest, it's more the case of you guys benefiting the stream more than it is anything. Because you guys sit here and spend your time and it helps the algorithm. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Also, Karibu and Dugu.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Welcome. No, it says D Magnus. Before it said D Ma. So you've changed the name. Has Ali left? I don't know if Ali's left or not. I think we asked him questions and he just left. No problem. Bye, Ali. All my trades are on TradingView anyway, and all my trades are on the live stream, so for me, all I'd say to them is, look, just go to my live stream for that day. Here's my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And say there's no more authenticity. Like, you can't get any more authentic than holding price live on a stream and managing it live on a stream and showing floating balance live on a stream.
Shortly expecting comments from ECB's De Guindos and ECB's Kosher.
One lady on Discord got her 7k payout after interview yesterday. Oh, that's good. But you know what it is? The problem you have with a lot of traders is they can't do this consistently. They'll get one payout, two payout, and blow in a can. The way to become consistent is not by aiming for profitability. As stupid as it sounds, you don't aim for profitability to become consistent. You aim for discipline to become consistent. You aim for being repetitive to become consistent. That's going to achieve profitability in the long term. And obviously consistency is naturally going to be there anyway. But people don't view the market in that way. They view it in a very dystopian style. What I mean by that is get what you can now, blow the account, and that's it. Yeah, exactly. For me, my target is between 2 and 4%, which is easily done off of one trade. Anything after that, I probably won't trade. Now, for example, on the 100k account, why am I requesting only 1%? Because you need 1% minimum to get a payout. I took a trade, I sat right at 1%. If the next trade is a loss, I can't take that trade. I can't take that payout. If I don't find a trade for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I've literally denied myself a payout for the sake of being greedy. Now, if I was up 0.5%, I would wait for that next trade, however long it takes. If I was up 2%, I would request it because it's in my 2 and 4% limit. If I was up 5%, I would request it. 6%, I would request it. I wouldn't keep aiming for more. GJ, yeah, I know it's fell really hard, bro. Really hard. And it's not giving an entry anywhere. Look, no entry, no entry, no entry. Damn it. With this payout, I'm going to try and go to a prop firm. Either there's two that I want to go to. One is FXify. One is FX2 Funding. And what's the other one called? Have a look. I would like to go E8, but they're very expensive right now. So I'm going to try and get one 200k account, hopefully. And then that sits me at 860k. And then I'll just try and get, my payout. Bro, Funding Next is amazing. I really like them. But if you're going to get this payout, just go to FTMO, Sahad. If you're going to get this payout, just go to FTMO. Because you're going to get a fat payout anyway. So just go there, get a 200k account. It just makes sense for you to do that. Yen is for your. That for your was legit. Since Frankfurt opened, it's fell how many pips? Probably like 80. Almost. Oh god, 88. Woo. Yeah, if you got FTMO, go to Funded Next. If you then after Funded Next, go to E8. After E8, go to Funding Pips. They're like the top dogs. And then after them, you can go to like FX2 and stuff like that. Because I'm with like 4 different firms or 5 different firms. I just want to branch out to 1 or 2 more different firms and then I'm done. Then start going for max allocation. But I'm gonna try and get that 200k account with this payout. And then my next goal is going to be start to fund my personal accounts. I have made a funded account, a personal trading account with IC Markets. I just want to start funding that. Really? That's even better. That's even better. But that's also a concern. Does that mean they're going to start changing rules? Yeah, this is not good actually. You know, when you see all these things happening, it's always a bit, oh, you know. So what is London Open doing is come down, took these lows, took these lows, took these lows. So you know what? I'm gonna mark out that London Open's come taking these lows. And I would like to see this zone fail. Oh, gold close. Let me have a look. Let's have a look at gold, because Francis in a gold short. Oh, nice. Lovely reaction there, man. Lovely. I would have taken that trade if I was awake. That's premium textbook setup, man. Premium build up, sweet break structure. A bunch of build up here on M5, sweet break structure, beautiful trade. I was just obviously asleep at that time. Nah, I think it's only for Australians for now. We have our FTMO broker here, like a separate entity on the FTMO.
French
Oh, okay.
PMIs. Manufacturing forecast 49 on the prior 48.8. Services forecast 48.5 on the prior 48. And composite forecast 48.1 on the prior 47.7.
This to me is just a big channel. I would very much like to go short, but if I get the capability to go short is a completely different scenario. But I really do like the look of this. That's perfect. So now let's see if it's going to come down or if we're actually going to start to see price reversing. Or if it's going to come up, take the channel and drop down. The thing is, because we've got so much in news today, is going to be quite difficult. Yeah, right here. You are at a support level right there. You can literally see it right here. So yeah, could be why. Do what you got to do to manage the trade, innit? And then the funded account, can't wait to start building that, man. I'm gonna probably do a 2 or 3% risk on that account, and then that should start growing rapidly. Once I've doubled the account value, I'm gonna start showing that on live stream often. Once I've doubled the account value, I'll double the risk, then double the account value and double the risk. I'm gonna try to turn like 1,000 into 10,000 or something like that, which would be quite easy, to be fair, because I tend to catch big R anyway. It's just going to be a slow journey just because of the trade frequency, that's all. Okay, let's go to M1 then. I don't know why I was sat on M5 there. Okay, yeah, I had to learn this myself actually. So I'm guessing you don't know what to do, yeah, because it is a bit confusing, isn't it? In the UK, we can't use Coinbase, but if you can use Coinbase in your country, then yeah, get your wallet address, yeah. Contactable only does USDC, so get your USDC wallet address, request the payout into there, and then you can just basically convert it into AUD and then just withdraw it into your bank account. And then you're good to go, basically. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Because you've already got a wallet, it sounds like you kind of know what you're doing anyway. I had to find out all this stuff myself because I don't even have a wallet or anything. I was like, what's all this crap about? Isn't it easier to withdraw directly into an exchange, or do you also trade DeFi crypto? Well, yeah.
At 3:15 a.m. Eastern time, we get
because I have to use Kraken, yeah. You can use Kraken Pro, which is a trading platform.
48 spot 8 services forecast 48 spot 5 on the prior
trading
48.
with crypto Kraken Pro.
48
You can trade it into pounds and then withdraw it, which is actually better value. So that's what I have to do because Coinbase is banned in the UK. Obviously, because of all the people trying to avoid paying taxes on cryptos and stuff like that. Now, you know why most people, they wait for a breaker structure here and they go long from here? Do you guys... Actually, there's no point teaching you guys. You all know what you're doing anyway. I was going to use this as a teachable moment, but then I was like, they all know what they're doing. But funded next is better, bro. Funded next is always better. They literally payouts in 2-3 hours. It's insane. It's insane how fast you get a payout with them. Oh, look at that. Tagged the zone. So price come down, took out all these levels, took out this low here, took out this low here, and then now it's come tagged in, giving a reaction, and I want that zone to fail. Come on, please. Oh shoot. So GU starting to push up, EU, Doji-ing. Okay, sure. Okay, I'll do it. Heard good things about Forex everywhere, including you, so I'm keen. Yeah. My friend, who also trades, he's an ICT trader. He's like, oh, I've heard bad things about him. I goes, bro, there's no platform you're only gonna hear good things about. It's always gonna be like that. But for me, they're brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Now, in your opinion, looking at GJ right here, I wouldn't go long here just because you've had to break a structure here. Now, I want you guys to all... This is a question, yeah? Why do you think it's not a good idea to go long directly after this break of structure here? That's the question. After prices broke this level, why do you think it's wrong to go long here? Type it in the chat and I'll tell you why. See, look at that, beautiful. Tagged in, gave reaction, pushing up now. That's beautiful. That's already happened here. That black line is a liquidity sweep. But I'm just talking about we fake out, I prefer retracement. No, not okay. So if we're talking about breaks of structure, yeah, how people trade off of breaks of structure, I'm saying why would this one be an invalid break of structure to go long? Ignore like the sweep, ignore, you know, the fake out, whatever. Like what? Like explain why.
1 minute remaining. I'll
is
read
that
the French manufacturing PMI.
Not a good break of structure? Or in your opinion, do you think it is a good break of structure, and explain why you think it is a good break of structure? London, come talk Frankfurt equal lows. This channel going on here. Lower high, lower low, lower high, low high, high. Interesting. Oh, Francis, I hope you took your TP. Oh dear.
47.8, 47.8, lower than forecast, 49. Services, 50.8, 50.8, higher than forecast, 48.5. Composite, 49.9, 49.9, higher than forecast, 48.1.
No, okay, I'll explain it in a second. Let's just look at the news really quick. So French PMI manufacturing's 49 forecast come out as 47.8. That's bad. French services PMI 48.5 come out at 50.8. Remember, 50 and above is classed as a growing economy. That's really good. French composite flash PMI was 48.1, come out as 49.9. Better by reasonable amount and just a tick below classed as growth. Not bad news for France, actually. Not bad. And look at the euro. Euro is enjoying that. Euro is really enjoying that. That zone did get taken out. Beautiful. Would have been nice to be in that trade, but nope. Unfortunately, you can't trade euro because of all these news events. Next news is going to be 8:30. This is going to be a big one because it's German PMI, and Germany is one of the biggest economies, or the biggest. Germany at the moment is the best economy in Europe right now in terms of growth. Yes, that's what I meant to say. Now we do have a demand zone right here. Which is nice. So I do like the look of this to go long. I'm just a bit skeptical because of all the news events and stuff like that. I might not really get the opportunity to actually go long, if that makes sense. So that's officially failed. That's a sweep there. Now we've got the issue of if that's a sweep and we get price pushing to the low side, then it's a concern. Right, okay, let me go back to you guys and explain why I was talking about that. Yeah, so basically, yeah, just because you've got price making lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and it breaks structure, yes, there's a demand zone here, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything because price can still continue to go down. All it's done is come take out this high. All it's done is just take out this high here. That's it. It's not signaled. It's not signaled any type of reversal occurring, price action giving confirmation of a reversal occurring or anything. Now, for me, obviously, Sahad, you might not realize, but I thought Francis would have. A bit disappointed in you, Francis. I wait for price to break structure there, create a higher low, break structure there, and then I'd like to go long. So this for me is invalid. Now this here looks cleaner. So why is this one cleaner? Because now we made it so lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high. That for me is the breaker structure. Now I want to see price respect this demand zone or respect this demand zone, break structure again, and then I'm going to go long. So this is what's occurring right now. That's what I see. So you could have gone long. That should kind of tag in there, which it almost did, and then break structure here. Then you can go long here. So actually, that's much cleaner. Yeah, basically, yeah. Yeah, a retracement, yeah, but that's what he said is just a retracement, that's it. Because a retracement could mean that it doesn't break the high again. So let's just copy this price action right now, yeah?
ECB's Lagarde says fiscal packages will have measurable growth effect. ECB cuts increasingly supporting financial conditions. The ECB will continue to adjust policy as needed. European inaction on reform would be irresponsible. The ECB is playing its part by delivering price stability.
Now, let's say, for example,
we will continue to adjust our policy as needed to ensure that inflation remains at our target. Internal barriers in services and goods markets are equivalent to tariffs of around 100% and 65% respectively.
Okay, thank you. So now let's say, yeah, for example, we get price doing this. It didn't retrace at all. It just like, you know what I mean? The toad feet pattern.
At 3:30 a.m. Eastern time, we get German PMIs. Manufacturing forecast 49.8 on the prior 49.6. Services forecast 54 on the prior 54.6.
So the reason I like
PMI,
that is because
53.5 on the prior
you get
53.9.
A higher low, a break of the high or of this high, then a higher low, and then a break of it again, then you're willing to go long. You just need confirmation of price shifting from lower highs and lower lows to higher highs and higher lows. And what does that mean? You need to see a break structure once, do a pullback ideally, because if you got loads of imbalanced price action, price could come back and balance price out before it moves. And like, I love it when you get big volume like that and it correctively pulls back. Then you get big volume again, breaking structure. Then it pulls back into a demand zone. That's like my ideal preferred setup, because it's not going directly off of the first break. No, it's not. That's no. It's waiting for the price to ideally come back and, you know, fill in this level here, or ideally tag a demand zone, or even just make a higher low, and then we see the higher high break. And then we see price retrace into a demand zone for the entry. So we're seeing prices shifting bullish from this low, as in lower high, to a higher low, which is followed by another higher high.
Says inflation evolution.
So that's this one here is the confirmation. This could quite easily just be a trap. That could quite easily be a trap. That's why I don't follow it. I wait for confirmation, which is normally the second break here. And if you've got price being, the momentum comes in aggressively.
Current level of rates is appropriate.
Sorry about the guy's talking in, so there's a lot going on. So if you've got price aggressively coming up, then contracting like that, beautiful. Aggressively coming up, contracting like that, that's beautiful. So let's say you had lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. This is a good level. This is a good level. That's a beautiful break. So that's why I like to wait for confirmation of price shifting on M1, because a lot of people on M1, they get manipulated by a breaker structure. But M1 gives breaks of structure here, there, and everywhere. So it's about understanding the one that's valid versus one that's invalid. Now, that's why when you pair that with invalid zones, it's easy for you to stop taking a trade where the probability is stacked against you, if that makes sense. Toad feet pattern, bloody hell. Hey, ahlan wa sahlan habibi.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
PAYOUT.
We got the PAYOUT. We got the PAYOUT. I gotta go and see you later next time. Yeah, that's fine. Also, congratulations, man. Well done. Much love, G. Yeah. Make sure you hit like, please, before you go. Thank you. Euro has done a big move up, man. Big move up. And pound has as well. Like and subscribe. Yes, exactly.
At 3:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get German PMIs. Manufacturing forecast 49.8 on the prior.
Where's the message? Here it is.
Forecast
Here it is. There you go.
Prior 54.6
Might as well just
and composite
put
forecast
these in here
53.5
as well,
on the prior 53.9.
whilst I'm at it. I will start getting affiliate links as well when I've had a few payouts from prop firms and stuff like that. Ali, I'm gonna be requesting my payout live on this stream at the end of the stream, like after my trading window. So it didn't tag this demand zone, but it's created a higher low, which is fine. Volume coming in, contraction, volume coming in, contraction. We should get a break here. If we do get a break here, this sweep is not valid. So let's just go to Euro USD really quick on M15 time frame. Have a look at that. Okay, so we did come take yesterday's high. I don't remember. I'm not You Deserve a TradingView sponsor. I'm gonna speak to them as well, by the way. I'm gonna speak to TradingView as well. I should do that soon. I'm gonna start doing all that stuff in 2026, I reckon. Because I use TradingView a lot. I love it, man. Awesome platform. Wicked platform, wallah. So let's go on M1. There was no clean entry on this yet, but we've had lovely price action from these invalid zones, man. Beautiful tag, reaction, failure. Love it. Absolutely love it. So for me to go long on here anyway, so let's just have a quick glance. We've had lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Yes, you could have gone long there, but for me, I didn't go long there. Why? Because this is a channel. Price could easily come, take the channel and start pushing to the downside. So I'm just being patient and just waiting a bit more than what I would usually wait. If we break this level here, then I'll be looking to go long, just as a safety precaution against this channel. TradingView is vastly superior when it comes to analysis. Oh god, yeah, that's why I love trading on it. That's why I like IC Markets as well, and that's why I've made my own personal account with IC Markets. I'm going to start funding with these payouts. I'm going to start trading that as well alongside all of this. But that's on MetaTrader, which means I can't trade on TradingView, but the pricing is exactly the same as C Trader's pricing anyway, so I'll just chuck it on the trade copy and call it a day. So yeah, that's kind of the plan for that. Okay, so we've broke structure here. this invalid zone failed. You can come for this zone now. Let me just set a supply. I just want to set a supply zone here in case, because this could be a potential supply zone. I just want to be mindful of that. Now I'm going to mark it as an invalid zone because I think it will be an invalid zone. I'm looking, but nothing as of yet. Nothing as of yet.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with German manufacturing PMI.
Oh, this is going to be interesting, guys. Germany's coming out, so I can't take a trade on euro, obviously. So I'm just going to wait, sit and wait. But this price action on euro USD on the low time frame, I'm thinking it's going to go bullish. Oh, welcome, David. Welcome, bro.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Karibu Undugu. I'm still on the free subscription now. I need premium, bro. I need premium. Yes, the lads are coming in force to the stream today. Yes, boys. What's going on? What's going on? Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
10 seconds.
1. Why is my computer's time 10 seconds ahead of TradingView's time? Don't know. Amal, I want to give you chopper on the head, bro. Why are you getting so?
48 spot
why are you getting
4,
so?
48 spot 4, lower than forecast.
Ooh.
49 spot 8.
Ooh.
Services 52 spot 7, 52 spot 7, lower than forecast. 54. And composite 52 spot 1, 52 spot 1, lower than forecast. 53 spot 5.
Oh wow. Okay, yeah, but it makes
Slight
sense
downside in the euro.
because the services last month were 54, so come out 52.7. So obviously to beat 54 is going to be hard anyway. So that's fine. 52.7 is fine because it's still way above 50, so still showing growth. Yes, it's missed the forecast, but the forecast was so high anyway. You know what I mean? Like even the previous is 54.6 and the forecast is 54. So they're expecting it to become lower because it's going to be hard to beat 54.6. We've rarely seen that occur. So 52.7 for me is not bad. That's why euro is pushing up. It's still not bad. Look at that on the 1 minute. Euro is still saying it's not bad at all. Composite manufacturing 49.8 dropped down to 48.4. Doesn't really matter so much. Germany does a lot of manufacturing, but they are still a service-based economy. German composite PMI 53.5, come out 52.1. Still above 50 by a comfortable margin. I'm happy with that. Even though it looks like a miss, to me it's still not really a miss. It's still good data for how that's come out. We've got President Lagarde speaking at 8:30, and then we got Eurozone manufacturing PMI at 9 o'clock. So let's see how that comes out. That might be a bit of a miss, I'm guessing. Okay, so same as me, free trading view. They're gonna have the Black Friday discounts on soon. I would start looking at getting trading view on Black Friday. If you only need trading view if you're trading on there, if your broker is compatible on there, if you need more than one chart at one time, if you need more than, is it 2 indicators you get on the free one, 2 or 3 indicators on the free one, if you need more than that, and if you need to utilize alerts. If you don't need any of that, you probably don't need it then, in all honesty. But me trading M1, I need fast execution. The long position tool is amazing because Sacramento taught me about this. That literally makes me able to take a trade within a minute, possibly. I don't know if it's within a minute, but yeah, it'll speed everything up. I do my analysis on here, my brokers on here, I take my trades on here, everything. So yeah, now I like the look of this. Oh, you stupid. Ooh, that is a big SL. Wow. Wow, that's a big SL. Yeah, that's a no for me, man. What about 30 seconds? What's 30 seconds saying? Can I find a sharper? No. No trade for me on yen. but that does look clean. Oh, unless you make a, if you make a high low and a higher high, we might get something. Okay, has this zone failed? No, it's not. It's just made equal highs. Stream's packed today, man. Loads of people. Hello. What's happening with the... it's frozen. Computer's having a meltdown. Oh no, Francis, that gold is not looking good. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Anyway, just buy GUEU 5%. Let's go 3% more for phase 1. Amal, just relax, bro. Why are you so emotional? Just breathe. Stop and breathe. Just it doesn't matter how long it takes. I'm just gonna follow my trading plan, take my trades. I'll get funded when I get funded. Don't be like, yeah, I'm up 5%. Woo! Like, just no. It's no. Trading is emotionless, bro. It's emotionless. You see me take a loss in 15 seconds, bro. Tag my entry as soon as it tags my entry, bro. I look down, I look up, SL hit, and I'm just like, oh, okay. You see me take a trade where it's gone up, break even in 4 minutes, and then I'm up like 8-9 I just follow the plan, take my partials, carry on. I'm focused on the charts. I'm locked in on the charts. I'm reading price action, but I'm not happy. I'm not excited. I'm just doing my job. You know, you should put, you know what, let me say it like this, yeah? Every time you get happy about it, say to yourself, why am I happy about me going to work? If I have a job in India, if I have a job in Emirat, would I be happy about going to work? No. I just go to work and I do my job and I get paid. So when you see the 5%, think of that as your paycheck. You're just going to get paid. So why are you so excited about getting paid? You're doing your job, so of course you're going to get paid. It's as simple as that. Try to put that mentality in your head. Because you're too emotional, bro. Way too emotional. You really struggle with self-control on that. But that's okay. Very well said. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's why I say people don't understand what trading actually is as a career, what it is as a job. They don't understand the core concepts of trading, the core fundamentals of trading, which is you risk money to make money. You have losses, you have wins. You get swerved, you get tagged. You get TP, you get SL. At the end of the day, the market is going to do whatever it's going to do. It doesn't care about you or your strategy. You just need to have a strategy that's data-driven, back-tested, factual, proven to work, and then just follow that strategy. That's it. And let the statistics work the edge. That's all it is. This is a game of statistics. That's all it is. You want to put the statistics in your favor. Statistics have nothing to do with your emotion. Statistics have nothing to do whether you're up 5% on a prop firm or not. It has nothing to do with any of that. You see what I'm trying to say? What's the news mean? I just went over it. Literally, I just went over it. I'll go over it again in a few minutes after all the news releases have come out. UK Retail says it's terrible, absolutely horrendous news, but I find this interesting, and I think this is happening on the back of the euro strength coming in, which is why pound's somehow managing to survive. I genuinely thought that would fall off a cliff, but it didn't. I am quite surprised myself why the pound didn't fall off a cliff. I would resign if I was Governor Bailey. I think that he should have cut rates a long time ago, where things are looking a bit better, but had the opportunity, but he didn't. He kept it, he held it, and now seen the consequences of that. What if your broker is MT5? MT5 is so this is C Trader, IC Markets. This is the broker I use. Yeah, you guys know that this is the one that I use. And I've got my demo account linked here, but now I've actually made a personal account with them, but it doesn't have TradingView integration. It's just MT5, so you can only get TradingView on C Trader. Now, I prefer MetaTrader 5 because of my trade copier. MetaTrader 5 takes less RAM, so I made it on MetaTrader 5. That's all. With the payouts, I'm going to start funding my personal account, linking it to the trade copier, and obviously I show all my balance, which I'll show right now here, all of my accounts. You can see that there, all the accounts I have open, the 100k demo, the quant tech all, the 200k quant tech all, the 50k funded, the FTMO 100k, the Aqua funded, the ACG. You can see all of my accounts here. Yeah, 687k right now in balance, and then I've got funded next on my phone. So I'm gonna have to just add the copier of my personal account onto this as well, and then just continue trading on TradingView as I normally do. Was able to catch today's trade because of the position tool. Yeah, position tool is brilliant, man. What the hell? Nana pe nana no dudu from Tata Sweep. What the hell are you talking about, Ndugu?
Why so weak? So weak. Uncle Roger don't like you.
Anyway, nice, yes, nice, man. Very soon there's going to be a tool to copy positions exactly from TradingView to MT5. If not, I might create one. If it gets enough capital, yeah, do it. You're intelligent as well. David, you took on trades yesterday. No, I didn't trade New York. I didn't want to trade New York just in case a news release happens or something like that, or Trump makes a press statement or something and then my trade gets slapped. So yeah. Oh, but look at that. The yen worked out beautifully here. I just didn't take it because of the volume. Not the volume, the 10 pips, man. That's just, nah, bro. That's too much. Because I take TP1 at 35, 3.5 R. I'm not flipping taking 3.5 R. Do I look like a peasant? No, mate. Absolutely no. And then TP2 is 70, which is 7 R. That's crap. That's literally what that's literally, so you know what I mean. I'm no way am I taking that. If it was like 5 pips, 5.5, I could get away with 5.5. I would have been like, it's a bit big, maybe I'd have taken it. 5's okay, but my ideal is 4.5, and then that would have been what, 15R trade. Beautiful. But no, unfortunately it's just too big, so I can't take that. So that's fine. Okay, it's just a job. Well said, Bashi. Yeah, exactly, perfect. So you trade on MT5 C Trader, but use TradingView for no, I trade on TradingView. I will literally set limits and alerts on TradingView, and TradingView is linked to 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts, and then all the ACG. Yeah, the SL is too big. It's gonna cut the risk reward, so I'm not gonna take that trade. Even if it goes to TP, the SL is too big. I'm not gonna take it. I have a SL range. From my data, I have an average SL. I need to sit within that average. And then I have to, on MetaTrader 5, I've got 2 master accounts here. And one master is the one on TradingView, which you see right here. Another master account is this one here, which you can see the trade copier is on there. So there's a master. I'll show you here. So it's ACG 200k master. Oh, it doesn't show you that, does it? Damn it. Let me go here. Does it show? There. So there you can see it shows, yeah, ACG 200k master. Right here you can see that. So this is a Heron. So that's my master account, and then obviously that is linked to this one here. And then I've got my lot size calculator linked on GU, EU, GC, and GJ.
Shuden says inflation will rise slightly in the next quarters.
So when I take a trade on this, using
And
this
Bank
lot size
America
calculator,
data, tech stocks
it
on track
automatically
for a
copies
record
onto the other
$75
two
billion
ACG
inflow this
accounts.
year. US Treasuries see $8.8 billion inflow in the weeks to Wednesday. Crypto saw $2.2 billion weekly outflow in the week to Wednesday, second largest on record.
So that's how that works. And then obviously I've got my funded next on my phone. Well, actually I've got it on my tablet now. Obviously, for those of you who were here yesterday, I bought a tablet for trading with some of my payout profits. Just because I needed it for trading, just have a dedicated tablet to like trade from directly with the bigger screen and stuff, and a better battery life. So I've bought my tablet for that, which is literally right next to me, like right here somewhere. So yeah, but other than that, I've not paid myself anything. I've not given myself any money yet. The plan is still the same: get payouts, more accounts, payouts, more accounts. Once I get this $1,000 payout or $800 payout, I'm hoping to have enough money to afford the 200k account. Then I'm going to start off with 1% risk on there. If I hit 1 TP, I'll go straight into phase 2. Magnificent. If I catch a SL 1%, I'll take one more trade on 1% risk. If that loses, then I'll drop down to 0.5, just to manage the drawdown. And then if I catch 1 TP from that level, then I'll go back to 1% risk again. And if I go on a fresh account and I risk 1% and I catch TP, but I don't get TP2 and I pass the funded account, then I will cut the risk in half or in quarter, so I don't eat into the profits I've made on that account. If that makes sense, because I trade high risk reward. So the way to manage, the way that I manage prop firms are different, because the first trade kind of pivots how am I going to manage the rest of the account. The second trade pivots how I'm going to manage the rest of the account also. And then when I'm up like 3, 4, 5%, I'll cut my risk to minimize the drawdown and maximize the profitability, because I'm using high risk reward. So it's another way of protecting your payout. It's another way of protecting you from taking a loss on an account, leading to any type of like spiraling out of control related issues and stuff like that. It's a really good way, because then you're preserving your capital. You know, if you can manage drawdown and minimize drawdown as much as you can, still accepting it's gonna happen, obviously. Like, I'm not gonna say, oh, there is no drawdown. Like, maximizing profitability, maximizing or minimizing drawdown, if you can really figure out how to do that, is gonna increase your consistency a lot. But that's dependent on everyone's individual strategy. Damn it. Like, this one here is too big. Because I'd want about a pip below that low. That sets me at 4.5 pips. I can't take that, it's too big. Yeah, collecting data is easy, but people don't want to do it. You know, at first, yeah, I hated backtesting. After I realized in my brain the importance of it, I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. Like, literally, it's amazing. I'm so happy I have a shot at getting a 20k funded account from Fivers. Once again, Amal, you're too emotional. I'm so happy that wording isn't good. I would have said, oh, it's I got a good opportunity, yeah. But remember, emotions need to be outside of trading. You can't trade with emotions, bro. Literally, you can't. You gotta really control yourself. You know, watch my podcast, bro. Go to the Discord, watch my podcast, and then I've put the link or the PDF in there for the Trading in the Zone book by Mark Douglas. Read the book, watch my podcast. I'm gonna do another podcast soon with the same guy, going deep into trading psychology, where I spend about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, just literally talking about the concepts, the knock-on effects, the issues traders have, how to get past that issue, how to work on rectifying it, how to hold yourself into account, because these things cannot be explained in a 10-minute conversation. They're very personalized, they're very individualistic, they're very, personal. So it's about this individual, that person, this issue, that issue, how to rectify it, that cause, that effect, etc., etc. It's really interesting and fascinating when you start to get into trading and the psychological shift that has on people's mindset. And it's really simple. Like, I'm not even saying anything amazing. It's just understanding these are real things. So I can't take GU long either, because it's too big. Okay, so but the rule for bootcamp is every trade must require SL and not risk more than 2% in one trade. That's daily pause. That sounds like you need a high risk reward strategy like mine, but my trade frequency is really low, so I don't know if you have a time frame to do it. Pretty good rule to me. I do limit trades, and they always have SL anyways, 0.4 to 8.8% risk per trade. That's good. Why do some of these props only pay out in crypto like USDT? I think because it's accessible to everyone. I think that's probably why. Yeah, makes sense. You just need to collect data. Yeah, I mean, I've shown you guys all my data. I'm happy to show it again. If you want me to show you how much data I've compiled, I'll just go through my Discord chat and I'll just show you on the Discord
At 4
in my chat how much data I've compiled.
Manufacturing forecast 50 spot 1 on the prior.
If you want, I'm happy to do that now because
52 spot 8 on the prior 53.
I don't see a trade happening in the next few minutes.
52 spot 5 on the prior 52 spot 5.
Actually, I'll probably do that later. I'll show you all the stuff I've done in, and then you'll understand why I'm so confident in my strategy and why data is so important and beneficial to everyone. Bismillah. Okay, what's the fundamental point of backtesting if you're a fundamental trader? Because you need to enter and exit the market. If you need to enter and exit the market, then quite naturally you're gonna need to find a way that works with that. The problem you have with backtesting fundamentals is you have to go back in time, look at the sentiment, look at the fundamental data, and then backtest it on a technical perspective. It's very difficult. It's better for you to forward test it, but with a demo account, so you've got no risk in there, so you can gather the data. But you need like a lot of fundamental traders, bro. Let's be honest, yeah. In fundamentals in a year, how many trades are you taking? 30 trades in a year? Because you're going to be on the daily chart, 4-hour chart, so you're not taking a lot of trades. Whereas on M1, M15, M30, you're going to probably take about 4 trades a week. No, not 4, probably 2-3 trades a week, which is about 10 to 12 trades a month, which is about 140 trades a year. So you got a lot more data from a low time frame trader than you have a high time frame trader, because you're not going to be trading 120 trades on the daily and 4-hour chart in 1 year. That's I don't see that happening. I just don't see that happening. Because the issue you have with that is if you had more trades, you'd have more open exposure across all of your positions, which is risky and it's quite stupid, isn't it? Like, you can't have 6 open trades at one go with 1% risk on all of them. That's insane. And if you had 0.25% risk on all of them, you're not making any money because you're trading 4 hour and daily. You're going to need to wait at least a week or 2 weeks to get any type of semi-decent risk reward. Did you register for funded next December trading competitions? I don't partake in any trading competitions because I think they're a good way to mess you up as a trader. Now you guess why I said that. There's a clear reason why, and you tell me why you think I think trading competitions are bad. Or you tell me, do you think they're good? What do you think about trading competitions? As a trader, like you're trading the markets right now, if you went and joined a competition, 1 or 2 or 3 competitions, is that good or bad for you as a trader? Give me the answer. What do you think? We're getting really into psychology today, man. Wow. I like it a lot. Yay, psychology. Are you asking me? Is that a question? Exactly. Son, bro, my Arabic's gone khara. Wallahi, Ali, I haven't practiced Arabic in so long. I forgot so much, man. Damn it, I was doing so good as well. Yeah, it develops bad trading habits. If you have a trading plan and you're disciplined, yeah, and then you go into a competition, you over risk, you trade more, you trade this, you trade that because you're trying to pass the competition.
4 a.m. Eastern time, we get Eurozone PMIs. Manufacturing forecast 50 spot 1 on the prior 50. Services forecast 52 spot 8 on the prior 53. And composite forecast 52 spot 5 on the prior 52 spot 5.
Even then, I wouldn't say I wouldn't even say then like competitions are good on a demo account, because as a trader, what keeps you disciplined is following the plan. When you go into competitions, they're 1 month. You're gonna aim for the absolute most profit you can in that 1 month. You're gonna deviate from your trading plan. You're gonna do stupid stuff. Guess what's happened? You've broke your discipline. Oh, but it's just a competition. It doesn't matter. You're a trader. That's your career. You've chose to enter a competition for traders, but then you've done everything against your discipline rules. Why did you do that? Because I want to win. But aren't you winning in the markets right now with your strategy? Yeah, but it's slow. But I thought you knew that trading's a slow-paced game, but you're going to get maximized returns in the long run. Yeah, but I wanted to do the competition. You see the problem. That's why prop firms do all these competitions, because they want traders who have arrogance and ego, which a lot of traders do. They're not humble. You get the payouts, go to a challenge, risk 1%, 2%, 3%, take this trade, A, B, C, Z setup quality trade, yeah? And then when they go back to their own account, it's carrying over to their own account, and then guess what? They blow accounts, they start deviating from the trading plan, because they said, you know what, in the challenge I did 10%, man. In 2 trades, I might as well do the same in my funded account because I actually get money from it. Then you do it, you break your account, you break your rules, you start going into like psychological spiral. Yeah, this is basically it. And unless it's a demo account and not your own funded account, I don't see any detriment. So as long as you don't focus on the competition but trade the way you usually... Yes, that's exactly that, Francis. If you trade the way you usually trade, then that's fine. I've tried the competitions, over risk and blown. Perfect. See that? Did I not just call it, D? I literally just said it and D just said, yeah, there you go. It's the evidence. It's about how you view the markets, yeah? It's not difficult at all. Now, this to me looks interesting because you got a channel here. Price is going to come down with volume and then go long. I might have an opportunity to go long in a second. We got UK PMI at 130 as well. Might be a bit cheeky and hold through news. Actually, no. If I was going to go long, I wouldn't want to hold through news because UK looking bad. UK is looking bad. Yeah, no way is it doing 52. Nah, I don't see that. I expect the UK is gonna miss. Longs in GU, yeah. I just want it to keep coming down and then give confirmation to go long. Ideally, I'd prefer that. Enter competitions on different accounts, then hedge trades profit. Yeah, I mean, but your skills, if you have skills, you want to win the competition. Amal, that mentality is wrong in my opinion. This is my opinion. Obviously, you can do as you wish, no problem.
I'll leave with Eurozone manufacturing.
But for me, why do I need to go to a competition to prove my skills when I've got my track record on a regulated broker linked to my FX book? Let's look at my track record for the last 4 or 5 months. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Hey, where is it? My FX book. Sign in. Oh, damn it. Sign in with Google. I don't remember the thingy. It's got it here. Perfect. Beautiful. Okay, so let's look at my track record, yeah? Which is my proof. For me, it's my proof. There's the SL manageable for longs. It wasn't here, unfortunately, but you would have had
49.7, 49.7, lower than forecast 50.1, services 53.1, 53.1, higher than forecast 52.8, and
what?
Composite 52.4, 52.4, lower than forecast 52.5.
Eurozone beat forecast by 0.3, composite missed by 0.1, which is fine, that's okay. Now we got 30 minutes clean price action until GBP. Right, okay, so here's my track record, yeah? So here is my track record. Okay, let's have a look. August, I was up 5 points. That short there was basically an accident because I think that was when the trade copier got weird and it just opened a trade and it didn't copy the account. When I set a limit, it opened a trade instead. So I think that should have actually been 6%. Anyway, so 5.7% in August, 2.7% in September. That should have been 3 or 4% because all these trades here, where is it? It was these trades here, I think it was, or these trades here, where I was trying to fix the lot size and the thingy, which is why there's a lot going on there. I think that's when I was trying to fix the lot size or something like that. So that's why that should have been about 3%, I think. Yeah, here you go. I took like 3-4 trades on it, just trying to fix why the hell is the issue not working and stuff like that, the trade copier, yeah? So anyway, I'm happy just saying these figures, 5.7%, 2.3%. This is supposed to be a bunch of break evens, but on this account, which is a demo, the commissions are insane. They're absolutely insane, bro. $100 commissions for 12 lots. Are you insane? So break even for some reason just comes down as a loss. So that should have been a break-even month. That should have been more than 1.5%. But it's fine. Because obviously I know this account has high lot size and commissions and stuff, so it's fine. Break-evens are not really break-evens anymore. So here's my equity growth here from August. Big trade. Another big trade. Slow contraction. These are break-evens. That's a loss. These are break-evens. That's a loss. These are break-evens. That's a loss. Break even, that's a loss, and then a TP. So you can see my equity growth is pretty much up, completely ranged, and then up again. I love that graph. I love that graph. This is what happens when you focus on quality over quantity. And obviously my win rate should be higher, but obviously it's not because of all them stupid trades where the trade copier messed up and stuff. And because of the lot size where it should have been break even, but commission still put it at a loss. So to me, this is my profit. So I'm up 9.77% just from August, bro. Just from August. Bear in mind, I've got accounts funded, which is 15%. I've had 2 payouts, 3rd payout coming today, 4th payout coming in a week. So I'm around 15 to 18% in profit from last year, November. So that's probably another 18%. So 15. So it's, I think the figure works out around 23, 24%. I think, if I'm calculating it right. I might be wrong, but if I'm calculating it right, it might be around 24%. I'm up 24% since November last year, which is amazing, bro. And this is just from this account. I started tracking my track records just from in the last few months. Right, that. Go back to this. Come back to TradingView. Okay, I'm back high. I was thinking, what the hell, 10k rupees is that? What? I don't know what you're talking about. But for me, trading's easy. The point is you just follow your plan, man. That's it. It's as simple as that. The commissions, oh yeah, they charge like $8 per lot on this demo account. I asked them if they could change it. They said no, it's fixed, which is annoying because I think the average lot size is about $4 per lot. So yeah, it's just a bit annoying, innit? Because it eats into the profits and the profit made and stuff like that for the track record, but it's fine. It's fine. What are you guys looking at anyway? Is there anything you guys are looking at trade-wise? Got 8 likes today. Yay! If you're trading one lot, are you really worried about $8 Bashy CHF shorts? You know what? I've actually hated that pair a lot recently, man. It's been extra khara. Oh, hello. Oh. Look at that. I was right. Look at. I'm so bloody awesome. It's just a khara when I don't get an entry. We've taken all of these out. Bashy CHF. which is basically pound CHF. But all it's done is taken Asia high, which is still valid. Damn it, it's a 1 minute short. Literally broke structure and tagged within 1 minute. And that would have been okay up 3 pips as well. And it would have been break even literally in 1 minute as well. And there's a huge chance price might fly through this level. No, wait a second. Oh, what am I talking about? There's a demand zone. Price tag the demand zone. I wouldn't have taken that invalidation. Nope. Invalidation right there. I'll keep waiting. Okay, so couldn't take anything from here because all the news events were there, which is fine. It's expected on PMI day. Can't catch a trade because there's too many news events going on. And I want to make sure I don't break any rules. For prop firms to then say, oh, we're gonna reject your payout. Well, fine, I'm not gonna trade. I'm gonna protect the account. Get the payout. Save the account. Get the payout. Save the account. So I'm gonna wait now. Let's go to. So we had bullish momentum all the way through there. We took that zone out. There was an opportunity to go long here, but then obviously it looks like it didn't work out really well because price is pushing down now. Took a short there, but that's a demand zone. Could have taken a short from here, but I said that's a demand zone. And then you got to look at it from this perspective of it's a bloody channel. When you've got how can I put it? When you've got buys and sells both being valid, yeah, it's not clear on the direction. No, he doesn't. None of these guys know any of them. Only Dima. I think only D knows. That's it, because he's from EcoStream. But all these guys don't know any of them. Thank you.
Well, hello, everybody.
No,
This is
Miko's not
Dowjones.
streaming, I don't think still.
You're behind the lines. If you're a real day trader,
I've
you're
not
a
seen
real
anything
time
from him as of yet.
financialjuice.com/purchase. and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Oh wait, I was gonna check his Instagram. Yes, sorry. I was looking at my phone like, what was I gonna do? No posts on Instagram. No, he's not posted anything on Instagram yet. Okay, Miko, the black dude over, or the white dude for black. Yeah. These from Miko's team. Basically, yeah, I used to get, you know, when it started to get cold, I used to like just basically look for a stream to chill and watch, and I found Miko, and I was like, you know what, I might as well go here. And then ended up chilling, got Miko's stream because he streams right after I stream. So when I finish at 10:15, he starts at 10. For 2 hours, so I started going to his stream, and then when it started to get really cold, then I started going to like gym and stuff like that. I just started chilling in his stream and stuff, to be fair. And then D come from his stream, and a couple other people come from his stream as well, so it's good, to be fair, man. His stream's pretty chilled out. You should go, it's quite good, man. Predictions for GBP news. I think it's going to come out bad. Everything's looking bad for the UK. Even if it comes out good, I don't care, because it's still going to end up being bad anyway. The economy is cooked. Like, it's absolutely cooked. Here's another question I got asked before. Yeah, it wasn't by any of you guys, but it's by another viewer. I can't remember who it was. So you know how sometimes I don't take trades if I've missed the initial entry, I don't take a trade. This is the reason why. Because let's say, for example, this got swerved, yeah, and this was the next zone to take an entry from. If you've seen such a big move like that, bro, yeah, on M1, and you've got a channel built up here, I don't like taking the trade after the first initial trade. That's it. The first one's the only one I like to take. The only reason I'll take one after is if I've had a big volume push up, I've managed to take partials, is dropped down aggressively into a demand zone, then I might be willing to do it. But for me, I'm just happy to say enough's enough. I've made my money, call it a day. but I can technically do that, but I don't like to. Because I've had someone ask, why don't you scale in on trades? Why don't you do layering and stuff like that? It can work. You know, you can maximize trades 150% by layering, yeah? You can also kick yourself in the ass by layering in trades, because you're just doing unnecessary exposure in the market. Why would you do that? Gotta be done. Yeah, I agree. I think it's gonna go bad. Everything's looking bad for the pound. Me and James both hate the pound anyway. We're not biased, I swear. But yeah, maybe some room for GBP CAD shorts. Yeah, possibly. %100% biased, yeah, I know. Yeah, exactly. That's pretty much it. But with me, I'm pound heavy, as you can tell, because I trade pound quite heavily, don't I? GJ, GC, GU, and then only
At
EU.
4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get UK PMIs. Services forecast 52 on the prior 52 spot 3. Composite forecast 51 spot 8 on the prior 52 spot 2. Manufacturing forecast 49 spot 2 on the prior 49 spot 7.
If it hits my TP area, that's when I close. If it's still in the fib, I will wait 2-3 hours before Tokyo. Because I was gonna say, wait a second, bro. Your trade, yeah? Are you still in it? I think for New York, we've got this level here. If I can't catch a trade in London, I'll look for one in New York. I just need to make 0.5%. So if I can just catch a nice clean setup, I'm completely happy with that. And then that can go over there. And then delete that. Let's look at where we can get ready for New York on GU. That's the only zone I can see, in all honesty. Let's get rid of that. And we can get rid of that too. Let's get rid of that also. 5 years. One second. I feel like that's not loaded. Oh, okay. That's fine then. So this high for New York. Damn it. Which low? Probably say Asia midline low. And then if that fails, then you've got this low. So I've got 3 zones here. And then, you know what? I'm just going to do one more at the bottom of Asia. So that's all my zones marked out for New York session. I just want to have a look at gold. For me, the plan is to catch 1 to 3 hour trade. I mean, the plan should be to just follow your plan. Literally, it should just be to follow your plan. That's it. This is 100% biased. Yeah, proper biased. But I understand it because the UK is hurrah, bro. Hurrah jiddan. Wallah. 0.5%, 0.5% in it. What do you mean? I don't understand. How do you bloody... I'll try to send an email. There you go. There, got it. Okay, got it. Wait.
At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get UK PMIs. Services forecast 52 on the prior 52 spot 3. Composite forecast 51 spot 8 on the prior 52 spot 2. And manufacturing forecast 49 spot 2 on the prior 49 spot 7.
What the hell, man? I'm just trying to send an email for something and I can't even find the bloody file. One sec. One second, just send this email and then I'm done. Right, okay, so markets are still kind of flat, waiting for the news to come out in literally 3 minutes. Let's see how this is gonna go. So you had big push up there and then low high, low low, low high, lower low. Tagged the demand zone, couldn't short from there, otherwise I would have loved to have shorted from there, but nope. Okay, so we got news coming out in moments. Okay, so everyone quick, what do you think? Good or bad for pound? I'm guessing bad. Euro still sat there. what I did there. You think it's gonna be good? I think it's gonna be bad. Yeah. Yeah, pound getting. Oh dear. Oh dear. But yeah, I agree. I think so too. Let's see what happens.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with UK services PMI.
UK services is gonna come out first. This is gonna be the bigger one. Come on, come on. Let's see what happens. After this, there's no news till 11:30. So if you can catch a trade after this, beautiful. If not, I'll just wait for next week, man. That's literally it.
10 seconds.
Okay. Oh.
50 spot 5, 50 spot 5, lower than forecast 52. Manufacturing 50 spot 2, 50 spot 2, higher than forecast 49 spot 2. Composite 50 spot 5, 50 spot 5, lower than forecast 51 spot 8.
Yep. I had a feeling it's gonna come out bad. So let me just pull the data out so I can look at it again because you said it so quick. So the composite come out 0.1. No, wait. So the PMI flash come out 50.5, which is supposed to be, so forecast is 52, come out at 50.5. So obviously it missed by 1.5. That's not good. Then you got manufacturing flash PMI, 49.2, come out as 50.2, 1 point up, which is good, classed as growing economy. But UK is not a manufacturing country, we're a service-based country, like service-based economy. Now services, here's the main one. Forecast 51.8, come out at 50.5. We missed by 1.3. Still above 50, yes, but a big miss. It just adds to every other narrative. Pound is going down the toilet. Even though it's above 50, it's still going down the toilet. So I think pound is... I'm more confident in shorting the pound now. Yeah, I swear down, UK never fails to let us down. You're not wrong, bro. You're not wrong. Yani England khara. Damn it. Okay, so now we got clean price action. So let's see if I can catch any move now. Now till 10:15. If not, then we go New York. Yeah, stammering the economy. Bro, they're all as bad as each other, I swear to God. They're all absolutely flipping. Where's the soundboard? They're all literally. Yeah.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
This is the pound right now.
Please, me, I need this.
That's literally the pound right now.
Please, me, I need this.
Why so weak? So weak.
Uncle Roger, no, the pound so
Why
weak.
so weak?
So weak. The pound, know too well. What?
Why so weak?
So weak. Yeah, I was gonna say, inshallah, one day your people will have an economy. It might not be in the time, it might be after they've been genocided and then Palestinians go back there after 100 years, but in our lifetime, yeah, it's such a depressing thing. Anyway, careful you don't get visited for talking bad about the UK. I don't care, I'll spit in flipping Keir Starmer's face. Oh, wait. No.
Can I spit on you?
then I spit on you Ugandan style. Too. You are the shame of the family.
Why so weak? So weak.
Anyway, looking at the pound. Let's just do an analysis from scratch again. So let's pull my pencil out. So we took this low, pushed up, took this there, pushed up, failed here, left the zone, which failed completely. Beautiful. Then we come out, took the high. We left equal highs right bloody here, yeah, which is so flipping annoying. Left equal highs right bloody there. But then we did come and take London low. Technically, there might be a long opportunity. Do I want it? Not really. What do I want? I prefer shorts. I prefer shorts on pound. But Euro is doing well. Look at Euro GBP. Yeah, 0.8. VIX is down 2%. We're back at 25. Still very volatile market. Silver's down. Look at Bitcoin 5. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go on the 4-hour chart. No, let's go on the 1-hour chart. Fuyo.
Fuyo. Why so weak? So weak.
Bro, Uncle Roger understands trading. Uncle Roger knows the Bitcoin market's entering a bear market. Uncle Roger understands the Bitcoin so weak, so weak. Wow, 5%. Okay, I still got my alert set on Bitcoin for the lower bands. Here's my 40% alert and 45% alert. I think at this level I might jump on the 1-hour time frame and start looking for longs. Oil's down. USD yen very down. USD CAD AUD JPY. Euro JPY. GBPJPY. Yeah, it's a very interesting market, that's for sure. What happened? This computer's freaking out, man. I don't think I'm gonna trade because I'm gonna have to wait for market to settle a bit. Okay, let's go back to that again. I don't know. Technically, I want to go long because it's took out a low, yeah. But this is so bad for the pound that I just feel it. I just feel it's gonna fall. You know what I mean? Like, you know, when you're just losing confidence in the pound. Oh god. So I'm a bit like, this isn't gonna hold. I want to go long. Technically, I want to go long, but I feel like this is just gonna fall off a cliff. I'm not so sure what the hell to do. Oh God. Impossible. I'll keep watching pound USD and with euro brother, yeah, legit, if it doesn't fall today then Monday. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, innit? I'm a bit
Brother,
this is the issue, man. Like the markets have been so difficult recently and they've moved at the weirdest times. They've not been stable in terms of the price normally moves in London. Now it's moving after like 10 o'clock. It's moving at 11 or 12. New York session might not move at 1, 2 o'clock. It might start moving at 4, 5 o'clock or 7, 8 o'clock in the evening. Like the markets are just a bit. Yeah, I know. I'm glad he's shown that. I'm glad he's shown that. I really wanted to come and say, Nick, I'm up nearly 23% on M1, but obviously he might not like that. He might not like that because Nick don't like low time frame traders, innit? Have you noticed? He don't like it, and I think even with me, I think he puts up with me because I'm a regular. But otherwise, I think even with me, he'd say, "Go away." Yeah, man. Oh, you can't trade low time frame. Yeah, lah, go to my stream, I'll show you. See you in December because this range is tightening. Nah, bro, you gotta flip in. Next week's gonna be a big week, bro. Wait a second. Actually, have we got NFP next week? In the first week of. We don't have it in December. We don't have NFP in December. Oh shoot. There's no NFP for December. Oh, sorry. We've got no NFP for December. Oh dear. So the rate decision's on the Wednesday the 10th. Oh God, that's gonna be big, you know. That's gonna be big. And then we've got Christmas week. Everyone's off Christmas week. I know what I'm gonna do for Christmas. I'm gonna do live streams every day doing Q&A segments, so you can just do Q&A with me and ask me any question you want and I'll go over it, I think. But I think we can't do that already anyway, so I don't know. This I'm just thinking build up 3-pair, pushing price down, but then we got news event and we got demand zones, invalidations. Every single bloody angle there's an invalidation. Yeah, that's a good shot, you know. Inventing condoms as well.
brother, haram!
This handboard's so good. This handboard's so good. Oh, I love it. Dude, I'm on full money. Are you with your family, yeah? أنا أعتذر جدا والله. Later.
Emotional damage.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. This is one of the reasons why I do like the live stream, man. You get a community of absolute comedians in it, and it just works out to be very beneficial for entertainment. Okay, so we just come out, took this midline level right here. Okay, wait a second. Euro's looking. I did tag as supply zones, that's order flow there. Missed it there. tagged it here, order flow there. Okay, there might be a possibility to go long on Euro USD. With pound, I'm a bit as you guys already know. But on Euro USD, bro, that's not looking so bad, you know. Oh, the tablet's still on 100%. Yo, not even touched. I'm thinking if it's going to turn into a clean setup now or not. We're just looking now to see what price action does on EU, on the M1. Let's go on M1. So look at on M1. If you can get some sort of clean shift of momentum after taking out Asia Euro midline, then I wouldn't mind potentially going long on there. And if you go long on there, that's not a bad shot, is what I'm thinking. Yeah. I do like the look of it, I can't lie. So I am tempted by it. Yen is still pushing down. It's almost come for London low. Pound CHF, what's that doing? Yeah, still dropping down slowly. As I said, I would have liked to have gone short here, but that's obviously so higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, no, lower low, lower high. Break structure here, tag back straight in 1 minute, but that is a demand zone right there. So I don't like the look of this zone right here because price tagged it. Then when it failed, they created this low.
G20 meeting says
break
Europe is
structure here,
down on our
tagged into the goddamn this demand zone, which is valid.
delivers.
So you couldn't take a short from here.
We're working non-stop to finalize
So
trade agreements with India,
it's
Australia, the UAE, Thailand, Philippines, and Malaysia.
Bit 50-50. Did you notice Nick is down just 80% in 17 days? I'm not surprised he's being had by the markets. He's yeah, you know, fundamentals is good, but you need to have more understanding. Like he got shafted by Bitcoin twice. For me, why would you short Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin when, yeah, it's just dropped down loads. Yeah, it's at discount, but you need confirmation that price is going to go bullish. You need confirmation that the stock market is going to start rallying because it's more linked to stock market, it's more linked to risk on environment. But we're in a risk off environment, so why would you go long on Bitcoin in a risk off environment? I don't understand. I'm not trying to say I'm better than Nick. I'm not. Wallah, I'm not. Yeah.
You're behind the
But
markets.
I
If
view
you're
markets
a
in a
real
very
day
different way to
trader,
most people.
go real time at
So when you try going long on Bitcoin 1, 2, 3 times, I was like, why is he trying to do that? Don't make no sense. And then he's talking about the 50-week EMA.
Beautiful deal, people. Come on.
What's the 50-week EMA got to do with the crypto falling off a cliff? Like, I don't understand. Like these EMAs and stuff like that, they're really not that good, bro. If you're using EMAs and stuff like that to try and figure out trading, bro, you're already behind the market. You're already behind. You need to understand price action, what price action means. And when you're trading assets which are risk on and all that sort of extra stuff, yeah, you need to understand the environment in it. We're clearly not in a risk on environment. We're not. We know that we're potentially neutral to risk off, potentially. And gold is signaling that, silver is signaling that, DXY is signaling that. Just look at gold, silver, and DXY. Gold's flying through the roof, silver's flying through the roof, DXY is flying through the roof. What does that mean? What does that mean? It doesn't mean we're in a risk on environment, that's for sure. So those 3 losses he took, I'm not surprised. It's weird because of the uncertainty with the dollar and with the rate cut decision. Yeah, that's the only issue in it. And the stock market is behaving weird based off of the back of that. Market's kind of overreacting. Yeah, exactly. So for you to go straight into Bitcoin, bro, without having any real, like, I just felt you went into it just a bit like, I want to catch the lower Bitcoin. I think it was an emotional response. Once again, I say psychology is king. I think he doesn't like that I say that a lot, because I always say it all the time. And have you noticed in a few of his live streams, he used to say, oh, people say psychology is the most important thing. It's not really. Come on, bro. Come on, Nick. You know it is. You know trading psychology is the most important aspect. Like, literally the most important aspect. 8%, so probably 200,000. Yeah, which is funny because it doesn't matter. He's a YouTuber. He's got 500,000 subscribers. His name's Trader Nick. I've been on his YouTube channel. I had the segment with him like 9 months ago. Ali, do you remember when I had? Oh, you weren't there. Ali was OT wasn't there when I had my segment. This was like 6 or 9 months ago, I think, when I had my segment. I went on his channel. I say with acquaintances, yeah, with acquaintances.
EU's von der Leyen at the G20 says we will discuss scaling up renewable energy and digital governance and AI.
Yeah, Trader Nick, yeah. I wasn't there, Bashy. Yeah, I don't think you were back then. I don't think you were. It was Ball Out Lee, Sean, Shells, Alan, Shadow, I think was there. That was it from the regulars, I think. I miss James, man. Yeah, I know. Yeah, me too. But I'm gonna talk to you in Discord about something, and I want your opinion. So yeah, we're still getting lower highs and lower lows on euro, on pound, the yen still doing that, CHF is still doing that, so there's still no trade for me as of yet. Let's look at what gold's looking like. Clickbait titles. Yeah, chat me. Let's look at gold. So what's going on with your trade anyway, Francis? Clickbait titles on his video. He does do clickbait videos, but obviously he's a YouTuber, innit? But he's one of the most authentic traders, yeah? Like, hands down, he's one of the most authentic traders there is. He does some things I really don't like, and I think OT will completely agree. He's a hardcore seller. He sells because he has the software, because he's a fundamentalist, and he sells every 5 minutes. By the way, I've got a sale on, guys. Edge find a discount 45%. Here's the link in the chat. 5 minutes later, by the way, guys, you got a discount sale on right now. 45%. Links in the chat. Like, he's a bit heavy on the sales, bro. Yeah, hardcore business salesman. Hardcore, bro. That's the only thing that's really annoying. And the other annoying thing is all of his guests are all high time frame traders. So he got me on there because me and Nick spoke briefly in private. And he was like, oh yeah, it'd be good to get you on and see some of the lower time frame perspective and all that stuff. I was like, yeah, sure, man. And then when I went on and stuff like that, I only got a small 30-minute segment where I didn't really get to go into absolutely everything. And the guys had questions and stuff like that. I couldn't really answer it because it's me and Nick talking to each other, to be fair. So yeah, and that's when I started doing my live streams and stuff like that. So actually, it would have been a year ago. There's a lot of people talking like, oh, he trades SMC, this bro. I just call it price action, supply demand, market structure, time. That's it. And key levels getting taken out. That's it. And I was like, oh, he's a scabber. And then I was like, Nick was like, after I went, Nick was like, there's a lot of rude comments in the chat. It takes, balls to come on a live stream and, talk about his strategy and stuff like that. And, we can't say someone is or isn't profitable because of the strategy they trade. And I rate him for that. I understand why. because obviously they all knew I trade M1. So I know that all of them are going to think you can't trade it because they're all 4-hour and daily traders. I know that. They even used to cut a bit of like make jokes about me trading M1 and stuff, but I don't really care. I don't care what people think of me. I am who I am. Like, bro, I'm kind of cool as hell. I drag race in the UK. I've competed in competitions in the UK. I've been in a crowd where 60,000 people or 80,000 people have been looking at me racing, so I was like a headliner. Bro, why do I need to prove anything to anyone? I don't care, bro. Like, I'm not arrogant, but I'm used to being in the eye of society. I'm used to being like, you know, looked at by thousands of people. Aura, yeah, exactly. So I'm not bothered by it. But alhamdulillah, it's not arrogance. It's like, it's more like, if I'm going to be successful, it's going to happen by Allah's will, or it's not going to happen. That's it. It doesn't matter if these people are looking, or if that person's looking, or if that person says he's a scam, or if that, it doesn't matter, bro. It's between me and Allah, and it's my rizq, innit? Like, if I'm due to get success or not, that's it. Ultimately, I don't care what people think, because I do my own work how you do your own work. Like, so to me, it doesn't really matter. When you get all these people saying, oh, you can't trade this, you can't trade that, the fact that you say you can't trade this means you don't understand trading at all. You can trade 30-second chart, 1 minute, 15 minute, 4-hour, daily, weekly, monthly. You can trade all of them, bro. So for you to say you can't trade it, it just shows that you have a lack of knowledge of trading. And a lot of these people, like when Nick says there's a low number of profitable M1 traders, that's a good statement. That statement's a fair statement. But a lot of traders say, oh, you can't trade low time frame. Brother, come to my stream. Have I not taken 65R in live on YouTube? Have I not taken 45R live on YouTube? Have I not taken 17R, 8R, 5R? You know what I mean? Have I not called price to a T? Bro, Aura is, you know what I mean? Where's the soundboard? There it is.
That's what I'm talking about. That's why he's the MVP. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
And then you got all these other traders, yeah, who don't even do live entries or live analysis or anything. Instead, they're busy selling courses. Bro, you're selling courses. Bro, you're selling courses. Are you serious? Don't talk to me, man. Like, you ain't even on my level. Without being arrogant, you're not even on my level because you're out here selling courses, bro. You know what I mean? Like, yo. That's why a lot of traders, like, when they say something, I'm just not bothered. I'm genuinely not bothered. And then they'd be like, oh, why don't you trade every single day? Because I'm picking quality over quantity. How else do you think you trade M1? You think you just go there and you hit buy? Once again, you don't know trading. I don't know, man. If I can, I might have it on my YouTube, maybe. And bear in mind, I'm a way better trader now than what I was before. Like, way better trader now. Because I've had so much more experience in the market. I'm going to try and find the video, but I don't remember. Liked videos? It would have been like a long time ago. It would have been a really, really long time ago. I'm just trying to find it now, but it might take a while. Okay, we're still falling. Here's a stream 8 months ago. Is it this? No. The internet is slow right now, man. Bloody hell. Wow, the computer's really... Okay, I'm gonna struggle to find this. Is it under watch later? No, it's not under watch later. Your videos, no, that's mine. It might be difficult for me to find the link. Seller course, and it's just how to build indicators and Pine script. The TradingView demo account never logs out. It always logs out after every other third-party account link. Someone's downloading a 500 gigabyte COD update. Oh, I don't know, man. It's being really slow. I'll have to find it on my phone, innit? But I remember it was a long time ago. I just don't remember when it was. I should have actually saved that. So I should have saved that live stream, to be fair. Let's do the oldest live stream. So 6 years ago. God damn it, that's gonna be worse. Let's do latest live stream.
Area third quarter negotiated wages rise 1.87% year on year.
Euro pound still falling, so there's no trade as of yet. These videos are 8 months ago. Hmm. 6 months ago. Nah, I don't think so, man. I don't know if they even still have the live stream. Maybe they deleted it. I don't know. I hope they haven't deleted it. That'd be very unfortunate. I think they delete the live streams after a certain amount of time. When did I do my first live stream? Let me go back to my first live stream. And that might help me figure it out. Oldest is 9 months ago. Oldest is 9 months ago. Could it have been one of those ones then? One of the earlier ones? I've opened a few up. I don't know if it's gonna work or not because the computer's bloody slow. Not that one. That's James. I remember his one after, so I was after James is what I remember. Because James was like, Bash is coming up next, my friend or whatever, and then I come up, and then that was it. So I don't remember when it was. But I remember it's after James. I'm just looking through all the streams now. Oh, Kenzo! Oh, what's up with Kenzo, man? Not seen that guy in ages. Yeah, they've deleted the old live streams. I'm not sure why, but they have deleted them. Oh, here's Alan Perez's segments, which is awesome. So I think I was on after, but I don't know if this was only when Alan Perez just started streaming. If it was, then it might be the right time. There's James. There's Nick and James. Then there's James and Chris. I think I might be able to find it, you know, just give me 1 minute. I think I might be able to find it. There's just so bloody many in it. That's not even should be available. Oh, peace out, peace out, Francis. I didn't realize you were going. I'm probably late to that. Sorry, my bad. Not every single change should be. They were available before. I remember, like, they were available. Got to take off today. Catch you next week. Yeah, that's why maybe they get private listed after a while. I don't know. Damn, bias. I see. So Alan was always the best guest on the show. Yeah, he was amazing, man. We love Lambert Allen. We love Lambert Allen. But I'm gonna find my little segment, man, because I want to read the chat as well, because I remember how many people were haters. I want to read the chat for how many people are haters, bro. And then I spoke to Nick after that, and he goes, if you build a track record, you can come on. I was like, alright, cool. And then I started building my track record, and then that's when everyone stopped coming to the streams, and all the guests started disappearing and stuff like that, if you remember that, Ali. Because all the guests started disappearing, innit? And we were all like, what's going on to the stream, man? Frank's gone, Kenzo's gone, freaking everyone's starting to disappear. Oh my god, look how Euro's falling. Wowza. Euro's gone down the toilet, boys. Euro has gone down the toilet. Do I see 40 pips? I don't see price doing this. Is gonna go over to Monday, bro. I'm telling you. That's going over to Monday for sure. This might come over today if we keep falling, but I don't know if we will. I mean, if we're gonna 20-30 pips, that's more closer, isn't it? So yeah, that's actually more likely. Yeah, much more likely. Only next level I can think of is this low here for 4 o'clock. And then after that, I'd have to bring that over here, to be honest, man. Price is falling quite aggressively, isn't it? What's CHF looking like? Yeah, that's looking bad as well, you know. It's looking bad. So it literally took that level by 0.5, which for me is basically just making another relatively equal low. Yeah, I think that's where we're going to sit on there. On the yen, I think that we've taken these lows, just go on here, taken this low here. I'm just looking for reversals at this point, basically, innit? Because prices fell so hard. All I could do is look for places where price might want to give a reversal. There's nothing more I can do. How many pips has the price gone past that zone? 10 pips. That zone slapped. Let's just bring that down to Asia low here. We're having a huge sell-off. Huge sell-off. We keep watching the markets till about quarter past, another 5-10 minutes, and then I'll request that payout live on the stream. I'm going to close all my accounts down because I'm not going to take a trade now, so just close all of them down and close that one down and that one, and pound's just dying. Oh my god, pound has become a khara jiddan. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. I'm just updating the copy here with something. That's done. Get rid of the soundboard. Actually, you can keep that. Okay, Bash, can you let me know when TradingView does Black Friday sale? Yes, it's doing it soon, actually. It's doing it literally Black Friday. Black Friday TradingView. So the discount starts in 7 days. So basically, next Friday is when the discount starts. So they're doing 30% off of Essential. This is for the year. So $126 for the Essential plan. The Plus plan is getting 40% off, so $216. And the Premium plan is getting 70% off, so $217. So literally $1 more, you might as well get Premium. So either go Essential for $126, so it works out to £9.60 a month, £9.70 a month, which is, you know what, I'll show you now. Look, let me just 1 second, I'll show you now. Here you go. So Essential, this is obviously it starts in 7 days, 21. So basically Friday, next Friday, 80% up to 80% off. So this is what I've got. I've got the Premium. I don't know how the extra month works because mine's due to expire this month, so I don't get how they say 1 extra month on us. That doesn't make sense. I am so confused what's gonna happen. I'm gonna cancel it and then I'm just gonna buy it again so I don't lose out. But anyway, yeah, so the Essential plan, 126, 970 a month, which is not bad. The Plus plan, you'd rather just go for the Premium plan instead. And I want this. I want the Ultimate, because on the Ultimate you get the tick chart. but I don't have 570 for that, so I'm just gonna buy this instead, the premium instead. Again, I'm gonna buy that again. So yeah, you got that, yeah, Ali? Back to TradingView. I'm gonna have a look at my subscription on here. No problem. She's already given the offers and stuff as well. Now let's just see what's going on here. I'm gonna leave that if it says because I bought it last year. You can see right there. Last year is when I bought it. Well, this is probably the single best tool that I've bought for trading is this. Honestly, so bloody good. So useful. So does that mean it's gonna auto renew? If it So yeah, I mean, I think it needs. I think it's gonna auto renew, man. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to use ChatGPT or ask the support chat, just to make sure. I'll ask the support chat after the stream ends, or after the stream has ended. I'll ask the support chat because I'm not too sure what the hell is going on with that one. Oh, I think Nick might have deleted it, you know, because they've been streaming for such a long time. I wouldn't be surprised if Nick's kind of got rid of the stream after, you know, is what I'm thinking. I'm gonna keep looking for it, and if I can't find it, then I'll just give up. Oh, wait a second. No, not that stream either. Yeah, bro, I'm struggling to find this stream, man, because he's got so bloody many. That I genuinely can't keep up. All I remember was that was before James, because James kind of welcomed me on with Nick. Alan's so cute, man. Honestly, bless him. He's such an adorable guy. Such an adorable guy. Which video? His trades are quite simple though, aren't they? His trades are very much fib, key area, doesn't line up with the edge finder, yeah, bang, take a shot. That's how most of his trades are. I'm just looking through all of the videos one by one. This is bloody daunting. Not daunting. Oh, here's when Alan was having. Do you remember when Alan was having all the issues with his computer? Do you remember when Alan was having all the issues with his computer? Oh my god, that was so funny. Oh my god. Actually, I know how to find out when it was. Fivers, Black Friday. 1 second. Black Friday will come in. Will you look them up? Fivers. Now I'm not gonna go Fivers. March this year, right? Okay. I've got an idea. Wait, I'm just gonna go to my chat with James and then we'll see from there. Oh, February. Okay. It's on the 19th of February. 19th of February. Oh, that was after. No. 19th of February. No. Because the oldest one he's got. It's the week before. It's the week before. No, did you delete it because of me? Because there's a lot of haters there. Maybe, you know. Maybe he deleted it because there's loads of haters there. In the live stream. But then why did he delete all the ones before? Because that doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. It's on the 19th of February. You buy in fivers if they be gutted, but no, I'm not going to them. I'm just gonna keep going to everyone else. I'm looking at FXify, to be honest. I'm looking at FXify and FX2. So yeah, FX2 is only a 100k account. FXify, they got 40% discount and they do a 400k account, but I can't afford a 400k. So I'm gonna go with the 200k, I think. Unless they do a 300k. If they do 300k, I'll go with 300k. Nick's channel's freaking out on me. What the hell? Oh, I would, if I was you, just go to a good prop firm, but just go like a small account. So go to like FTMO and just get like a 5k account or a 10k account if you're gonna attempt a prop firm. Don't go heavy and hard and stuff like that. Just go small and steady and just, you know. I don't think I'll be able to find anything, man. It'll be a bit hard. Podcasts? No. Does he have like a trading interviewers like trade thing? He's got interviewed trading legends, but there's scammers on here. I've done a lot of videos with Tory trades and stuff like that. Yeah, I can't find it. Literally, you must have took it off. So how unfortunate, man. Literally, how unfortunate. Right, let's request this payout anyway, man. Oh shoot, was it TRC or ERC? I don't remember if it's TRC or ERC. 1 second. I did USDT. I think it was TRC. I think. One second. I think it was USD. One second. I don't know about Binance. I'm not allowed it in the UK, so I can't even tell you. One second. Good old ChatGPT coming to the rescue. Give me a second. I don't remember which one I used. So this is saying USDC. Huh, interesting. Saying USDC. Last time I did something different. One second. USDC. ERC20. I think that's Ethereum. Perfect. So yep, that's that. Then I just get 1 second. No, it's the same, bro. Both 3.5%. Look, provider fees 3.5. USDT provider fees 3.5. So they're both the same, innit? One second. I forgot how to do this, man, because they both have a different style, innit? Yeah, 20%. Yeah, it's 23% in it. Yeah, perfect. So I've got it now. I think I've got it. I've got this on YouTube now, so I can look back at it when I make a mistake. Transfer, deposit, crypto, USDC, Ethereum, copy address. Which is perfect, and then I just copy paste that address into Telegram. Oh, I've already got it here in another message. 1 second. Is it the exact same number? Yeah, it is the same number as well. Awesome. Let me just copy paste the thingy. 1 second. It's just opening up slowly. And then there's the address, copy. Then go to here, paste it there, submit. I don't know where that's supposed to go. Where's that supposed to go? Is that in my email? Ah, yeah. Perfect. Okay. Pair request is successful. Got it. Boom. Now that's sat here as a request submitted. You can see that 10:40 a.m. They'll probably review that. Last time it was 4 hours, so probably I'm expecting around the same sort of time frame. Let's see what 842.40 works out to in piggy bank money, basically. Our computer's really slow, man. This stream's killing it. I'm just gonna close down Telegram, and I'm just gonna close down Discord as well, because maybe these things are just taking memory out the computer. Okay, so USD to pound, so how much is it? So I should be getting 640. Yeah, that's not bad, to be fair. That's not bad. 640-ish, which is enough for a 200k account. And then what I'm gonna do from here is I'm then going to go to Kraken Pro, which is the app, and then you can trade the Ethereum £2, and basically when you trade it like that, apparently you get more fees. ChatGPT gave me an answer on it a while ago, so I'm going to try and do that basically, so I'll get a slight bit more money, then withdraw to Revolut. So it's probably like a 10-minute process, to be fair, which I don't mind, so that I'm not paying all these fees, like this fee, that fee, blah 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 blah. So yeah, that's pretty much done. Live on YouTube. Don't call me scammer. You see the trades, you see the TP, go Discord, you see everything. I'm just gonna set that there. Undeniable, exactly, yep. Undeniable. Now someone say something, I can slap him with the shahata. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Okay, what about gold? How's gold looking? Okay, I don't know if Francis is still in gold. If he is, then he might be alright with that. So yalla, that's me done. Live stream done. Have you guys got any questions or anything or not? Because if not, then I'll just go chill. Obviously, I'll update the Discord. Oh, I should take screenshots actually. 1 second. Let me take screenshots of everything. There. So then I'll take a screenshot of this. There. Oh. There, done. So now I've got a screenshot of that as well. And then basically that's me done. Week done. Take care, man. Great stream. Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna look for a trade in New York still, because on the 50k funded account, for me to request that, I just need to make another day of 0.5%. So I'm still gonna look for a New York trade. As I said, the aim of the game is just to make 0.5%. That's it. But it has to be a trading plan trade. So I can't just be like, oh, gold might go up, I'll just take it long, I just need to make 0.5%. No, it doesn't work like that. Because they're going to take it on the trade copy with all the other accounts linked to it, so it has to be a valid trade. So I'm still kind of looking to follow the plan. So yeah, we'll just see what happens, because if I do take another trade and for example I end up catching another TP, that 4.2% payout could turn into 7-8% payout on a 50k account. 10% growth, not bad for a payout. So that's why I'm just kind of being patient and just looking at where price can go. And why I'm not gonna do anything stupid. I'm just gonna follow the plan and just take the trades as per the plan. So yeah, thank you boys for coming. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you next week, or if I take a trade in New York, I'll post it in the Discord. Obviously, if I don't take a trade, then I won't post it in the Discord. So yeah, I think, yeah, we'll see what happens for sure. And then there's all the links. Have a good weekend, you too, Aki. I'll send you a message in Discord anyway. I need to ask. I want to talk to you about something in it. All right, guys. Peace out. Take it easy. See you later. Bye.